Hey guys, so we're looking at my Elegoo Mars printer. It's got one heck of a gap on that Z-axis screw there. I measured this earlier on with the calipers and that is 30mm. You can get another 20mm 2cm height out of your printer with just a couple of minutes worth of work. First thing that you're going to need is your USB stick that your printer came with. Pop that in. And the first thing that you want to do is make a copy of that file, which you see Chitu mainboard specification, blah blah. Call that anything that you like. I'm going to go with 170 and fan. That will make sense a bit later on. Open it up in TextEdit if you're on Mac, or if you're on Windows it's Notepad. You'll see on the left hand side there's lots of different things that begin with M. There are lots of different settings. The one that you want to look at right now is going to be M8026, so do a search for that. I've already updated this file. It would have been 150 originally, just change it to I170. And whilst we're at it, let's get rid of the fan so that the fan is only on when you're printing. So M030 is what you want for that, 8030. Again, I've already done it here, so change that. It's initially at 1. Change that to I-2. Give it a save. Close that. Eject your drive. We'll come back to that in a second. Okay, so next step is you want to print yourself a new knob, because the other ones, the original, are too big. Your lid will lift off otherwise. I'll put the link in the description of the Thingiverse, etc, etc. What you need now are some M10 by 20mm hex bolts. I got these on Amazon for less than a £5 for a pack of 10, I think. And take some super glue, slosh it into the middle. If you want, you can use a cocktail stick to help you do the side of this. I don't think it's going to be particularly necessary. If you've got any accelerator, then give your bolt a quick spray of that. Pop that in, push it down just so it's even, and I'm going to wipe off some excess here. And just give it another spray. Okay, so whilst that's hardening, let's have a look at what we need to do to the printer, which is just here. I've already got the lid off. I may as well take this off right now. Pop that down there. So pop your USB stick in and switch it on. Okay, go to print and then look for the file that we've just saved, which is 170 fan Gcode. Press it, press print. You hear the fan's gone off, it's worked, elapsed time, happy days. So that's the code side of it done. So back to your build plate now. Get rid of the Z-axis screw. You know what I mean? Okay, back to the printer. Stick it straight on, screw it down. Lid back on. Switch it on. So now, beforehand, this was up as high as it would go. And remember, I had 30mm. So what I should now be able to do, which you wouldn't have been able to do before, is move this up by another 20mm. And I'll get the calipers out and we'll see if we've had success. And there we go. We can call that 10mm, right? And that's it, all done.